often come across is, why should businesses invest in their employees undergoing the APIC certifications? I made this video specifically to address that, and we'll talk about three main reasons. The reason number one is that certification helps companies get the most out of their ERP and other software tools. Consider this company. They wanted to optimize their shop floor and ensure that all their plans are achieved. A simple tool defined in the APICS curriculum, the CSCP curriculum, is the input-output chart. The input-output chart is also a standard facility in most ERP and other software tools. Now, for this company, their consultant and their ERP implementer had not told them about the input-output mechanism. It is only because they studied the CSCP curriculum that they knew about the existing of this tool and could use it to optimize their ERP. There are numerous such tools which are described, which you could use and employees could use to give you better returns for your software products. Number two is this idea of developing robust products. Now, another example here is of a consulting company. The consulting company was an IT company, and their employees often ran MRP without knowing the logic behind the MRP. So when we first did the CSCP program with this company, the MRP schedulers were able to see that the logic behind the MRP and see what the different screens meant and why they were doing what they were doing. Now, because of this, their ability to use that process became more robust, and they were able to generate a much more stronger and efficient output from the same tool and the packages that they were using than what they could before. And the last reason for implementing the ERP or CSCP programs in your company is to improve communication across departments. Now, most companies, even in spite of cross-functional operations, are still siloed. Purchasing has very little relations to manufacturing, which has very relation to sales, and which is again very little relations to marketing. And we are constantly fighting with each other inside the company, trying to achieve our departmental objectives. A cross-functional and a broad-based curriculum like CSCP helps us understand each other's constraint and evolve methods which focus on global business-wide optimum rather than the functional optimum. So I've seen this in businesses which do CSCP training for all their employees across their departments, is that they see substantial reduction of conflicts between departments, and which eventually leads to better communication and reduction of improvement of communication within the firm. I hope these three are very strong reasons to enroll your employees for the CSCP course at FGCU. And if you have any other questions, feel free to reach out, and we will be happy to address your concerns and help you create better efficiencies for your business. Thank you.